वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू. सर्वांचे स्वागत आहे आपल्या या SD अकॅडमी या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आज आपण इयत्ता 9वी मधील 2.2 हेलन किलर अँड ॲनी सुलिव्हन या धड्याखाली असलेल्या इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप मधील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. क्वेश्चन 1. से वेदर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. म्हणजे खालील वाक्ये बरोबर की चूक ते सांगा. A. The most important day in Helen Keller's life was when her teacher came to her. Answer: true. B. When young Helen stretched out her hand, her mother took it. Answer: false. C. Young Helen learned to spell many words without understanding them. Answer: true. D. One day, young Helen understood that everything has a name. Answer: true. E. Young Helen did not try to put the pieces of the doll together. Answer: false. F. Young Helen felt sorry that she had broken the doll. Answer: true. Question 2. Listen carefully म्हणजे काळजीपूर्वक ऐका and classify the following into one and many. खालील शब्दांचे एक व अनेक असे वर्गीकरण करा. प्रथम शब्द पाहू. डे, कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट्स, टीचर, लिव्स, मंथ्स, इयर, आफ्टरनून, पोर्च, साइन, फेस, फिंगर्स, लिव्स, ब्लॉसम्स, एंगर, बिटरनेस, वीक्स, ट्रगल, शीप, डार्कनेस. 1 मध्ये येणारे वर्ड्स पुढील प्रमाणे: डे, टीचर, आफ्टरनून, पोर्च, फेस, एंगर, बिटरनेस, ट्रगल, शीप, डार्कनेस. मेनी मध्ये येणारे वर्ड्स पुढील प्रमाणे: कॉन्ट्रास्ट, लिव्स, मंथ्स, इयर्स, साइन्स, फिंगर्स, लिव्स, ब्लॉसम्स, वीक्स. अशा प्रकारे वर्गीकरण करता येईल. क्वेश्चन 3. This narrative is written in the first person using I. खालील वाक्य I हा प्रथम पुरुष शब्द वापरून लिहिलेली आहेत. Rewrite the following sentences using Helen Keller or young Helen appropriately in place of I and making other necessary changes in the sentences. म्हणजे खालील वाक्ये आय ऐवजी हेलन किलर किंवा यंग हेलन वापरून तसेच वाक्यात इतर आवश्यक बदलून पुन्हा लिहा. A. I did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for me. Answer: young Helen did not know what the future held of marvel or surprise for her. B. The morning after my teacher came, she led me into her room and gave me a doll. Answer: the morning after Helen Keller's teacher came, she led her into her room and gave her a doll. C. On entering the door, I remembered the doll I had broken. Answer: on entering the door, young Helen remembered the doll she had broken. D. Then my eyes filled with tears, for I realized what I had done, and for the first time I felt repentance and sorrow. Answer: then young Helen's eyes filled with tears, for she realized what she had done, and for the first time she felt repentance and sorrow. Question 4. Read the following sentences and frame at least 2 relevant questions on each. खालील वाक्य वाचा व त्या वाक्याशी संबंधित कमीत कमी 2 प्रश्न तयार करा. A. I was like that sheep before my education began. Questions with who, what, when. Example, who was like that ship before her education began? Question mark. B. One day I was playing with the new doll. Answer 1. When was I playing with the new doll? Question mark. 2. What was I doing one day? Question mark. C. I learned a great many new words that day. Answer 1. Who learned many words that day? Question mark. 2. What did I learn that day? Question mark. D. She brought my hat. Answer 1. What did she bring? Question mark. 2. Who brought my hat? Question mark. E. We walked down the path to the well house. Answer 1. Where did we walk down? Question mark. 2. Who walked down the path to well house? Question mark. Here, that living words awakened my soul. Answer 1. What awakened my soul? Question mark. 2. What did that living words awaken? Question mark. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला WH टाइप क्वेश्चन तयार करता येतील. क्वेश्चन 5. राईट अबाउट युअर ओन एक्सपिरियन्स म्हणजे तुमच्या स्वतःच्या अनुभवाबद्दल लिहा. डू यू रिमेंबर अन ओकेजन व्हेन यू डिड समथिंग सक्सेसफुली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम म्हणजे तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा एखादी गोष्ट यशस्वीरित्या पूर्ण केल्याचा प्रसंग आठवतो का? राईट अबाउट इट इन शॉर्ट 10 to 12 लाईन्स. त्याबद्दल 10 ते 12 ओळी लिहा. प्रिपेअर अन आउटलाईन ऑफ युअर कंपोजिशन बिफोर यू राईट इट आणि तुमची रचना लिहिण्यापूर्वी त्याची रूपरेषा तयार करा. Answer. Our teacher gave us an assignment to write a poem on a peacock. I tried my level best, but I could not do it successfully. Then I took the help of my sister. As per her guidance, I collected some words related to peacock. Then I tried to weave the words in lines and to match the rhymes also. At last, I was successful to write a poem based on peacock. When I read it in the class, I got good praise from the teacher as well as from my classmates. It was really a memorable occasion for me. Question 6. Gather more information about the following म्हणजे खालील विषयाबाबत अधिक माहिती गोळा करा. Question A. Different types of impairment that limit a person's activity or make it difficult for him her to mix with others in society म्हणजे विविध प्रकारची कमतरता जी एखाद्या व्यक्तीच्या क्रियांना मर्यादित करते, त्याला किंवा तिला समाजामध्ये मिसळणे कठीण बनवते. Answer 1. Visual impairment. 2. Hearing impairment. 3. Impairment of speech. 4. Impairment of language comprehension. 5. Intellectual impairment. 6. Reading impairment. Question B. How modern technology can be used to overcome those problems? या समस्यावर मात करण्यासाठी आधुनिक तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर कशा प्रकारे करता येईल? Answer. Modern technology is more useful for the disabled person than the common man in the society. It facilitates as per the requirement of the person. It will be a boon for them. Devices like captioned television, live speech captioning, telecommunication devices for the deaf are useful for hearing impairment. Question 7. Complete the following sentences using your own ideas. खालील वाक्ये तुमच्या स्वतःच्या कल्पना वापरून पूर्ण करा. A. The most important day I remember in all my life is the one on which dash dash dash. Answer. The most important day I remember in all my life is one on which I got gold medal. B. I did not know what dash dash dash. Answer. I did not know what to say. C. One day while I was playing dash dash dash. Answer. One day while I was playing I got fracture in my hand. D. I realized what dash dash dash. Answer. I realized what I was doing was wrong. E. I do not remember what dash dash dash. Answer. I do not remember what I did at that moment. Language study. Question 8. Find 3 examples of the following from the spaces. म्हणजे पाठातून खालील विषयाची 3 उदाहरणे शोधा. A. Articles म्हणजे उपपदे a and the. B. Compound words 1. Sounding line 2. Monkey like 3. Well house. C. Present participle hurrying, beating, making. D. Past participle penetrated, stretched, followed. अशा प्रकारे इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप मधील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे लिहिता येतील. पुढील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 9वी मधील 2.3 मार्क ट्वेन या धड्याच्या सुरुवातीला असलेल्या वॉर्मिंग अप चिट चॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी मधील प्रश्नांची उत्तरे सविस्तरपणे पाहणार आहोत. धन्यवाद. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास नक्की लाईक करा, आपल्या मित्रमैत्रिणींना शेअर करा. जर चॅनलला नवीन असाल तर अशाच प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ सर्वात आधी पाहण्यासाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा व शेजारील बेल आयकॉन घंटी नक्की दाबा. थँक्यू.